A long-duration winter storm will begin today across the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies, and continuing through the end of the week through portions of the Northern Plains. There's a high chance for more than 8 inches of snow, with locally 1 to 2 feet likely in the higher terrain of the Cascades and portions of the Rockies as far south as Wyoming. Multiple waves of heavy snow will stretch across Montana and into North Dakota Tuesday night through Friday morning. So starting off today on Tuesday, October 24th, we're already seeing an uptick in activity. Rainfall is surging north across Texas with some heavy storms in the upper Midwest. You will also notice widespread snowfall across southern Canada, with some isolated snow showing up in the higher elevations of the northwest U.S. As we head through the day today, lots of moisture will start flowing into the northwest with a low-pressure system located just off the Washington coast. This will lead to rainy conditions for the lower elevations as snow increases in coverage. By late Tuesday into the early morning hours of Wednesday, that snowfall will really become widespread across Montana. The atmospheric river and associated low-pressure area will move inland, continuing to feed moisture into the colder air mass through the day on Wednesday. Snow will move into the plains by Wednesday afternoon, especially across North Dakota. By the evening, we'll start seeing the majority of snow shift into the plains of the U.S. and southern Canada. On late Wednesday night into Thursday, it's almost like the snow escapes into Canada, but watch what happens. Another wave of moisture sneaks out of the mountainous west, leading to another significant round of snow. We can see this taking shape on Thursday as it makes its way into the plains. First part of the system will still be slowly moving northeast, which may give enough time for the second part of this storm to move in and join forces. This could cause higher snowfall rates across the Dakotas and then Minnesota on Thursday into Friday. The snow will become more confined to northern Minnesota on Friday before quickly clearing out into Canada thereafter. That was a step-by-step overlook of what to expect over the next few days, so let's talk snow totals. The National Weather Service snowfall forecast is valid through October 26th. We see that snowfall expected to be heavy across the Cascades in Washington and Oregon, with the higher elevations in Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, and Utah getting a good helping of snow. We're also expecting a few inches of snow across the wide-open plains of eastern Montana into North Dakota, with 6 inches possible in the purple. Totals reaching 12 inches are possible in that green shade and bright pink. Flooding and heavy rainfall will be a concern throughout the storm's multi-stage lifespan, so I have updated my flood threat forecast graphic. I'm expecting 2 areas of primary flood concern. One is over the southern plains and the other's over the upper Midwest. The yellow can expect some flooding with pretty heavy rain expected. The red areas, which cover a portion of Wisconsin, Texas, and Oklahoma, have a high chance of flooding, and this is because these particular regions will see the most rounds of heavy precipitation. Now going back to the cold side of the storm, let's talk temperatures. This is going to be quite a significant Arctic invasion with sub-zero temperatures possible in some spots. We're going to see those cold temperatures work their way in starting today, October 24th, with the arrival of the atmospheric river. Temperatures will be extremely cold for Montana on October 25th into the 26th, with single-digit temperatures in many areas. The cold air will continue seeping further south continuously throughout the rest of October. Just look at the possible temperatures across the country by October 30th, and these are the high temperatures. Much of the country will be pretty cold with highs in the 40s and 50s, but look at the southeast U.S. Widespread 80-degree temperatures will stay stuck across the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida, and that's all because of a very persistent high-pressure area. Eventually, this high pressure will get pushed away, leading to much cooler temperatures as we start November. The Climate Prediction Center's 6 to 10-day outlook reflects this significant temperature change quite well. For October 29th through the November 2nd timeframe, look at how much of the country is expected to be overtaken by colder than normal temperatures, excluding, of course, the southeast. The coldest weather is expected across the northern plains and upper Midwest. Thanks for watching today's forecast. If you enjoyed this weather update, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates. You can also support this specific video by giving it a like and sharing it with someone who may find it useful. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.